In front of me is DOOGEE T20, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. Then select Close in the pop-up to disable location. So when I do that and go back, I can see that location of my tablet is off. If you wish to switch it back on, just click on the same icon again. You can also go into Settings instead, scroll down and tap on Location section. Then click on this switcher next to Use Location to disable or enable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!